So today I just explain. Today is a demo session. I'm going to explain what is full stack Python, what full stack Python persons can do. What is a data analyst, what data analyst persons we can do. What is the data science? In data science, what we can do. So these three I'm going to explain, guys. Why in the sense? Because if you want to get a job, you have to enter either full stack. Full stack means Python, core advanced Python, plus some advanced also coming. So your Python, then data analyst or business analyst, then data scientist. These are the three important things available. Okay, let's start, guys. Here, your target is. Before starting today's session, let me ask one small question, guys. Okay. See, just recollect your day. Today morning, wake up, open your eyes. Then what you did in the first task, when all you open eyes immediately, before get up into bed, what you did? Recollect what you did? Checking for anything? Mobile. Where? Oh, good. So mostly what we did, sir, checking for where is my mobile phone, take the mobile phone, open it. Yesterday night, you kept one WhatsApp status. Then what we did, open first WhatsApp and what checking how many members are viewed our WhatsApp and Instagram or else some other things, Facebook, some notification, something will verify. So after giving everything, kept the mobile phone, then went and then you are going to do your regular works. Fine, good, nice. Next target. Because of this something delay occurred, you came to office. Unfortunately, you forgot your breakfast, but you are very much hungry, guys. Then what to do? I need breakfast, but I don't have a time to go outside. Is there any chance to get the breakfast to my door? Online apps. Any apps? Do you know? Food item. I want to order food. I want to order food. Do you have any item? Any application? We have Swiggy, Zomato, Potato, some application available. Then what we did, we simply make the order, then item will go, then order will come, right? So now what happened? Now what happened? Sir, whenever item comes, then I can sit, I can finish it. The task here is, so our first basic target is, sir, right now we are fully depends on applications. So we are not going outside. So let's take for not only food. If food required, Zomato, Potato applications available. No, sir. I need some items, pen drive, hard disk, some items required. Then no need to go outside. Simply sit inside and you can make the order. Amazon, Flipkart available. Train tickets required. For the sake of train tickets, what we can do? Sir, go for IRCTC. Sir, bus tickets required. Red bus, Abhi bus, some applications available. So, sir, vegetables required. If you need vegetables, we'll open what? Any application? Big Basket available, Blinkit available, Jepto available, lot of application came. Our day-to-day life fully depends on applications. Repeat, our day-to-day life fully depends on what? Application. So your task is, let's start with applications. The first target is applications. Oh, good, nice. Because right now we are completely depends on what? Applications only. Right now we are completely depends on what? Applications only. Basically our applications are classified into three types, guys. Sir, what are the three types? Sir, desktop applications. Second one is web applications. Third one is mobile applications. What are the applications we have? Your applications basically classified into three types: desktop, web, and third one is what? Mobile application. These are the three types of applications we have. Done. Here, desktop application, web application, mobile application. These are the three types. So, whatever it might be, guys, our main target is what? Sir, I have to develop application. That's what we need to focus. I have to develop application. So, if you want to develop application, there is a role. The role is called what? Full stack developer. If your target is if you want to develop applications, if you want to develop applications, then so learn what full stack Python developer or full stack developer. Go for full stack developers. So let's observe in full stack developer how many areas we need to focus. Before explaining this part, let's observe a small website. Let me open my browser. Here I typed one website called APSRTC. Enter. Observe what I did. I opened my browser. In the browser area, I just typed APSRTC. Enter. I just typed APSRTC. Enter. Right. Now, what happened in this scenario? So in the browser area, I am a browser. In the browser area, I typed apsrtc.com. Whenever we entered apsrtc.com from browser, one request went to where? Server. In the server, APSRTC, Abibus, Redbus, lot of applications available. You are asking for which application? APSRTC. You are requested for APSRTC. Checked. APSRTC available. Collected. That application, then again back to where? Browser. In the browser display. Okay. So two members involved here. Member one is what? Browser. Member two, who? Server. So browser available. Second person is what? Server also available. Browser, server, two members involved here. Good. Now let me check the bus. Sir, buses are Hyderabad. I have traveled from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Bus is required. Hyderabad to Vijayawada. On what? Some date. Click on check availability. Whenever you click check availability, then what happened here? Observe, sir, from browser, in the browser area, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, submit button. From browser, one request went to the server. You are asking for what? Hyderabad to Vijayawada buses. Server area, data not available. Data is not available in server area. So what server will do? It will check for what? Another place. It is called database. Check for another place. It is called database. Went to the database, collected Hyderabad to Vijayawada all buses and back to a server. What server is doing? Arranging all buses in a neat format. That data again given to whom? Browser. Browser will display all data in a neat format. Observe total how many members? 3 members. Member 1 is browser. Member 2 is what? Server. Member 3 is what? Database. 3 members involved. So not only this website, guys, Redbus, Abibus, Amazon, Flipkart, you can go for any application. You can go for any application. So always focus. 3 parts are very, very important. Sir, what are the 3 parts? Browser, server, and database. These 3 parts are very, very important. So if you want to become a full stack developer, if you want to learn full stack developer, focus on 3 areas. Focus on 3 areas. Sir, what are the 3 areas I have to focus? Browser. Next one is what? Server. Next one is what? Database. So you have to learn these 3 areas related technologies you have to learn. Browser side technologies, server side technologies, database side technology. If you learn, that's enough, guys. Browser side, server side, and database side. These 3 sides technologies we have to learn. Then everything will be good, right? So browser side, technically people will call as what? UI. UI technologies. User interface. So we'll call as what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? And so on. These are the basic things you have to learn from the browser side. So server side, what you have to learn as part of the server side, one programming language required. Sir, which programming language I have to learn? Learn a programming language called Python. As well as one framework also required. Go for Django. There is one framework, guys. And database Python means core Python, advanced Python. Both will come as part of Python itself. Database side, you have to learn SQL. There is a language called SQL. You have to learn SQL. If you learn all these, then you will call as what? Full stack developer. So what is your work? You can develop applications. You can develop application. This is the full stack developer work. So full stack developer developed application. Now what we are doing? So as an end user, we open that application, we book the ticket. We open Amazon. Amazon is also an application. Amazon is also an application. What we did, sir, we open Amazon, then we placed what certain item, we ordered item. So all the data stored. When our data stored, our next target is what? Who will enter into the picture in the sense? The second candidate is called data analyst. Data analyst came into the picture. Sir, what is the main purpose of data analyst? Data analyst is used to prepare reports. Data analyst is used to prepare reports. If you want to prepare reports, go for what? Data analyst. For example, let's observe here. I have a data, guys. Let me take some data. Now my target is, sir, data available in what format? Excel format, data available. Sir, this is my data. This is our data. So some sales related data available. This is what sales date, product, category, sales represent. This is what your sales related data. On which date transaction done. Sir, what is the product? Sir, what is the category? Sir, sales representative. And which city done? How many units done? What is the price of one unit? Total amount is what? So this is the data available, guys. This is the data we have. Oh, fine, good. Now your next target is what? If I give this data to the management, they're unable to understand anything. So your task is what? This data convert into meaningful format, in a graphical format. Then it will be more good. Convert this data into graphical format. Oh, you want to convert into graphical format? Let's see what to do. Prepare graphs like this. So actually, if you have only one graph, for example, if you prepare only one graph, for example, I prepare a graph like this one, copy. I just prepared only one graph like this. Now, technically, it is called either report or graph. So based on this one, what I can inform, sir, in Bangalore, our sales are excellent, sir. So in this one, something is there, guys. What is the something? Sir, we have to give some information to the management. You have to give some information to management. What information I can give to the management? So this is a report. Sir, our transactions are done. Our business is done in 4 areas. Sir, what are the 4 areas? One is called Bangalore. Second one is Delhi. Third one is Hyderabad. Fourth one is Mumbai. We have transactions in 4 areas. Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai. Sir, which area we have highest transaction business? Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad or Mumbai? Sir, Bangalore, there is a place called Bangalore. Observe Bangalore business is what? So around 9 lakhs, 91 lakhs, 90, sorry, 9 lakhs, 19,834. This is a Bangalore business. Second highest, 8 lakhs 36 in where? Mumbai. Third place goes to the Delhi. And fourth place, your Hyderabad available. So we prepared a graph. From this graph, we need to give some information to management. Sir, our business is good in this area, our business is low in this area, like we have to provide information. So this is technically called as insight. People will use as whenever you observe data analyst roles, people always use the word find insight, explore something. What find insight and explore in the sense, the words simply, they provided data like this. Once they provide data, if you observe this data, we can't do anything. Convert this data into graphical format. This is called one report. Who has to do? Data analyst. Based on existing data, we have to prepare this report. Like if you prepare multiple reports, this is area wise sales. If you prepare multiple reports, now observe, this is multiple reports. Now technically we'll call as a dashboard. Technically we'll call as a dashboard. Now that to what type of dashboard? It is called as an interactive dashboard. Observe, whenever I selected anything, remaining all are automatically changed. So it is called interactive dashboard. For example, I selected Jan month. Sir, I have a sales. I selected Jan month. Okay, fine, good. So if you focus clearly in the Jan month, tell me guys. So this is what total sales done by sales representative. In every company, employees are available. What we have to do? So in order to encourage the employees, the management is giving best performer of this month, best performer of the year. Even cricket matches also what happened? So player of the match, like we are giving some prizes. Now I want to give some award for the best performer. So best performer of the person. Observe, we have sales representatives Lakshmi, Leena, Pavana, and Sharma, Vamsi, Varun, Veena, Vishnu. These are the members available. Tell me guys, which person gives best performance? Leena. See, if I provide data, it is very difficult to give the information. But if I show this diagram, then it is very easy to give the information. This is what in Jan month. And in Jan month, observe city-wise sales. In Jan month, which area we have highest sales? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai. Observe Hyderabad area, 1,77,000. Mumbai area, 1,69,000. So Bangalore, 86,000 only. Delhi, 28,000 only. So 2,834 only. So highest sales in Hyderabad, Jan month. But worst sales in Delhi in Jan month. So we have to give information to the management. Something is going on Delhi, sir. Please, you have to take care of that one. The branch, change the bank manager or something. So on some other month, let me take May month. In the May month, whenever I select May month or select some other month, March month, I selected March month. In the March month, tell me who is the best performer? Varun is the best performer, right? So, and observe city-wise highest sales goes to whom? Mumbai has highest sales, 23, right? And not like this one, I'm going to select 1 year performance. I selected all months. All months means 1 year data. Complete last 1 year, who is the best performer? Complete 1 year. Based on 1 year, who is the best performer? Varun is the best performer based on 1 year data. And observe, based on 1 year, finally goes to what Bangalore has a leading guys. So the second place goes to Mumbai. Third place goes to what? Hyderabad. Fourth place goes for Delhi. So it is very easy to provide what? Your analysis and observe item wise. Sir, these are the items we are selling. Observe Acer laptops. Acer laptops as Acer and Lenovo has highest sales. And here, month-wise sales available. Jan month, Feb month, March, August, like this one. Sir, August month we have good sales, sir. Very good sales, sir. August month. Like this is what, if you are preparing a report like this, giving information technically called as insight in your data. They'll call find insight. Who has to do? Data analyst or business analyst. They have to prepare these type of reports or dashboards. So for this one, to do this one, you have to learn one programming language, mandatory. Database is also mandatory because data available database only. So you have to learn database also, as well as Excel we have to learn. And then you need to learn what? Power Query and Power BI and stats. You need some stats plus storytelling. This is one part. Most important thing is storytelling. You have to give seminars. How well you prepare report doesn't matter. How well you explain the report is important. How well you prepare doesn't matter. How well you explained is very, very important. You prepared everything, graphics, everything is good. Awesome, guys. Your management sitting in front of you. They asked, and tell me about our sales information. You came to the desk, sir. Today I prepared a report, sir. This, sir, Jan, sir. Report, sir. Next, sir. This report. Yes, sir. Finish, sir. Kata. You explain like this. Next, they said that who gave job to him. First dismiss him and dismiss that fellow also. both of them fired from the company. So interview time in the company, the most important thing is what? As a data analyst, preparing report plus explanation is very, very important. So the storytelling part is very, very important for what? So data analyst. So you can go for any place in Hyderabad, guys. This is missing. Everyone is focusing on how to prepare reports, but no one is focusing on how to explain the reports. If you are unable to explain the reports, there is no use at all, right? Good. So this is what data analyst work. Next one, full stack Python, what he can do? Full stack Python main target is they are going to develop applications. Their main target is applications. There's a reason they need to focus on browser side, server side, database side. 3 areas they have to focus. But coming to data analyst main target is what? They have to prepare what? Reports. So that's the reason their main target is what? They have to learn Excel, Power BI, and basic stats. These knowledge is required for data analyst. And third person is what? Data science. Let's go for data science. Data science. This candidate is very, very important. So data science is this person main target is what? Prediction. So they have to predict what happened the next. They have to predict what happened the next. This is very, very important, guys. Of course, as part of this one, we have a target called what? Machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. These type of things involved, guys. ML, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. These concepts are involved. Let's observe here. For example, before entering to this area, your task is we just prepare one graph. This one. Otherwise, let's go here, sheet 1. Now, let me change here. I just selected only 1 month data, or else Jan month data only selected. So back to the graph. Who will prepare this report? Sir, data analyst will prepare this report. Done. Now, based on this report, what I can inform? Sir, Delhi, our sales are very less. Up to here, data analyst work is done. If it continues, I didn't do any action. I continue, guys. Then what happened in the future? What happened in the future? What is about future? If you continue like this, sir, if you continue like same thing, future also down, sir. Otherwise, no, sir, this is my month, something problem because of some reason. There is an issue with India and US. There's a reason our sales are reduced in Delhi, sir. So number of visitors are reduced in Delhi, sir. So within this month, the issues will sort out, sir. So next month onwards, again, our sales are good, sir. Okay, fine, good. Let them continue. Analyze. Am I need to take any action? Or else it will continue automatically increase sales. What happened in the future? No, no, sir. If I want to increase this business, not down, not I want to increase my business. So your management will ask, what happened if the issues are not sorted out? India-US issues are not sorted out. Our business is down. Then alternative I have to provide, because you are a data scientist. As a data scientist, you are predicting what happened in the future, as well as you have to give suggestion what are the things we have to take it. Sir, there might be serious issues are going on. It is issues between country to country. Problems comes. It is not sorted out within the month. It will take more time. Then how to increase the business? Let plan for other countries. Let's start business with other countries so that our business will increase. Then who is our other countries are available? Alternative countries. Find the information, spread your business to that areas also. Then your business increased. If you should sort out, then advantage is what? Business double increased. US business coming, other country business also coming, then your what? Graph goes increased. So who has to do? Data scientist has to predict and he has to give. Let's observe data scientist one more. So there mainly what comes from? Machine learning, deep learning. These are the two concepts are very, very important, guys. But before goes to machine learning, deep learning concept, let's observe one movie. Guys, do you know Robo movie? Robo. Chusara? Good. So just 2 minutes, we'll observe Robo movie. Then I will back to data scientist role. Just observe 2 minutes. So the Robo movie. Here, your hero Rajnikant preparing your robo. Yes, your robo is ready. Hero robo that is ready. Now, robo is understanding the patterns of this particular person, the Rajnikant style, everything. Learn it. Try to follow it. Internally prepare some algorithms. Because of that algorithms, it learn. Yes, learning finished. Now your robo needs what? Knowledge. So walking style, everything learn. Now it needs what? Knowledge. So for that, observe sports related data. If you just before observe, there is an hard disk available. Sports, languages, culture, science, all the data is loading. Once the data is loaded, now we are implementing the data. So it takes a good training. Because of good training, it gives you good result. If the robot doesn't take good training, it never give good results. Very good. So training is good. That's the reason this robot is what? Excellent. Same way in this movie, there is one more opposite person available. So let's observe villain robo. Let's go for villain robo. This is villain related robo. Here, villain robo now, villain robo only. The face cut also like that only, villain. And he gave the instruction is what? Walk. Observe, it goes back. He said straight, it went some other place. The robot took the training, but not proper training. Now he said, pick gun, pick gun. What it picks? Bun, right? He gave instruction as pick a gun, but it picked what? Bun. Gun, bun. The words almost similar. So your robo take the training, but not proper training. This is called what? Improper training. That's the reason not good results come. So data scientist purpose, we have to predict what happened the next. As part of that, giving training is very, very important. Giving training is very, very important. Then only we are going to get a good results. Otherwise, we never get good results. So as part of that, let's see. Here, artificial intelligence. Here, there is a concept called AI also plays major role, guys. As part of AI, so let's select artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in the sense, observe at the time of born, small kid, we don't have much memory. So everything we don't have any, we don't know anything. We are just small kids. Then day by day, day by day, day by day, what happened? We are learning the things. If you learn good things, our behavior will be good. If you learn bad things, our behavior will be bad. How you trained from childhood onwards, that what reflected, right? So, but this is a dabba. Now we are human beings. People will teach us how by showing some items, by touching, by smelling, different things we learn. This is a dabba. Dabba needs a training. For that purpose, I'm going to provide training. If you give training, good training, so then, so it will become strong AI. If you're not providing good training, then it will become what? Weak AI. So giving training is very, very important to decide whether it is strong AI or weak AI. Next, let's observe. In order to give the training, we have two concepts available. One is called machine learning and second one is called deep learning. So either we can go for machine learning or we can go for deep learning. Two concepts available. Oh, machine learning or deep learning are fine, good. Now, which one I have to apply, sir? Machine learning or deep learning, right? Imagine I gave training to my AI. My robo is ready. Now my robo has to predict what type of training I gave to identify the birds. Sir, nose, eyes, like these are available. Then I said that it is called as what? Some bird. Okay. Now I show these symbols, these particular symbols. I gave training to identify owl, pigeon, parrot, like different things. Then I show these particular symbols. Is it all, observe all clear? Is it all the same? No, right? So imagine I gave training to identify all, but here what happened? There is some apples also available. These two are looking like what? Ice. So it felt that like in previous, pick gun, it pick what? Bun. Same way, at the time of giving, identification is very, very important. Observe, this is apple, this is also apple, this is also apple, apple, this is also an apple, this is also an apple. Mixing. So your AI doesn't confuse. It has to give correct answer. In order to give correct information, how you collected data, same pattern, it has to collect the data. So you need both machine learning and deep learning concept required. Machine and deep both required. Right? Now let's observe. As a human beings, what we can do is human can listen and speak. Right? So for that purpose, go for what? Text as well as audio data is required. Text or audio data required. So based on this one, machine learning and NLP concept required, guys. AI concepts are mandatory to learn. So machine learning and NLP concepts required. As part of machine learning and NLP, observe the apps sentiment analysis. This is one type of NLP concept. And Google Assistant. So generally in our mobile phone also, hey Siri, it will respond. Alexa, hey Alexa, could you please play the songs? Hey Alexa, what is the temperature now? Like it will give, it takes your instruction, gives the response, right? So this is also an NLP related application. Your chat GPT, you're asking question, you are getting answer. It is also called NLP, natural language processing. To do that operation, first of all, you should have knowledge on machine learning. With the help of this one, what we can do, we can prepare models. Observe, if you are a full stack developer, Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, these are applications. Full stack developers will call as an application. Data scientist candidate, they will call as what? Models. Okay, the difference is what? Amazon is one application. Same way ChatGPT is what? One model. Your sentiment analysis is one model. We have to prepare model. With the help of model, we can analyze and we can predict. No, no, sir. Sir, what we can do as a human being, we can see and we can recognize. This is pen, this is phone, this is mobile phone, or this is remote control. Same pattern here. Image and video combination. Go for what? Your analysis, medical reports. Scanning. Whenever you have a scanning report, based on the scanning report, we can give the information. Observe in previous doctors, what happened? If you take scanning report, they kept in front of the one light, observe, and they said, hey, your bone coming like this, going that to this, that side, sir. You have to take 2 months of treatment is required. Like they are doing. Some people, actually, they don't have any serious issues. Small minor issues are available. They went for what? X-ray, scanning, MRI scanning, lot of things. And they're waiting for what? Senior most doctors. If it is a private hospital, they will get the income, okay. But government hospitals, huge crowd available. If everyone looking for senior most doctors, then when the crowd will reduce, problem started. So what our target as a data scientist candidate, what we are decided, we have to prepare one model. Which model we have to do? Sir, when our patient comes, take what? X-ray. Your model has to identify that X-ray and it has to decide whether it is a serious issue or basic issue. If there is no issue, no need to send that candidate to what? Your senior doctor. Send to junior doctor, that's enough. Just inform so you don't have any issue. Just use what some energy related things. If major issue is there, send them to senior most doctor. Your LLM, you have to prepare one LLM. Our LLM has to do all this operation. Yes, we can do it with the help of what? Computer vision with deep learning concepts. So machine learning and what? Your deep learning. This combination, what happened? NLP, computer vision, is all comes as part of what? Data scientist. This is the basic work, guys. As a data scientist, this is the basic work. So that means if you want to become a data scientist, your main target is what? Of course, you have to learn one programming language, mandatory. Plus database, you have to learn. It is also mandatory. And then machine learning. deep learning, artificial intelligence. These combination will called as what? NLP, natural language processing, as well as computer vision and R language and stats. These are basic thing. With the help of this one, we can prepare the models, we can use the models. And now latest advanced thing is what? Generative AI. AI agents. Agentic AI. Guys, your model, what happened? Imagine whatever the training you give, whatever the training you gave, with the help of the training, it gives the information. That is your model do. No, no, sir. Sometimes I didn't provide information. My model has to generate a new information, has to provide. So let's see basic thing. I trained addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers. I trained for my model. I trained what? Addition of two numbers and subtraction of two numbers. A equal 5, B equal to 7, C equal to A plus B. Print C. This is what? Addition of two numbers. I trained. Then I trained subtraction also. A minus B also I trained. Oh, very good. Nice. Addition of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers. These two I trained. If anyone asks, give me addition of two numbers, available, provided. Subtraction, available or not available? Available, provided. Someone is asking that, give me multiplication of numbers. Did you train multiplication? What you trained? Only addition, subtraction trained. Now your model will give answer for only addition and multiplication. Sorry, only addition, subtraction only. If anyone asking for, I need multiplication of two numbers, your model unable to give. No, no, sir. Same almost. If you observe those two, multiplication is easy. Tell me, guys, what I have to do? I need multiplication program. This is addition. Second one is a subtraction. I need multiplication program. If you want multiplication program, where I have to do change? Where or plus available, remove the plus, make it as what? Into. Now your model has to generate this one. Learning two things, addition, subtraction, learn. Based on that one, your model has to generate. For that purpose, we need to go for what? Generative AI. Previous one, what happened? Only whatever you trained, it will give information from that only. But now what they are expecting, even if you're not trained, it has to learn symptoms from the previous one and it has to generate and it has to give the information. Generative AI. And latest one, agents, agentic AI also came into the picture, guys. Okay. So one particular work, one agent is required. For example, I need what? Buses information or train informations. So I prepare one agent. Agent, what it can do? It can fetch all trains information for me. It has only, actually normal AM is what? It contain what? Education related. Just observe the robo. What happened? The robo contain educational data, science related data, sports related data, language related data, all the data available. I don't want all the data because if all data available, if I ask any question, it has to process all and it has to give the answer. It takes more time. So what I will do, I will prepare only one particular agent. That agent I train only Sathya Technology related courses information. For our Sathya Technology course related, one AI I developed. It's called AI agent. Now this has information of only Sathya Technology courses information. If anyone asks the information regarding course, available very fast it gives the information. If you ask any other information, it doesn't provide it, guys. Right? No, sir. Sir, my target is I'm planning to go for coming Dasra available. Sir, in Dasra, 3 days leaves are there, sir. So I'm planning to go out. So I need information. Which place? I don't know places. Now I have to ask the question. I have 3 days holidays. So which places are good? So can you provide the what hotels and train tickets as well as there what are the places I have to visit? Provide all the information. Now what happened? To verify the trains information, one AI agent is required. So to check the hotels, one more AI is required. To verify the places, visiting places, one more AI. And local guide purpose, one more AI. Like what happened? Not one AI agent, multiple agents available. These multiple agents can communicate and it has to provide the information to us. For that purpose, we need to go for what? Agentic AI. Agent means one operation. Agentic AI means group of agents can communicate, use the information. So advanced level, this is not low level, advanced level, you have to learn these things. But as a basic level, you have to learn these parts. This is the basic history about what? Full stack developer, data analyst, data scientist. These three things are trending in the market at present. So if you go for interview, so the people will ask you, hey, do you know data analyst? Do you know data science? Do you know full stack Python? These three questions will come, guys. Whatever the role you may apply. They never ask internal question, but they will ask what, because you came for interview. So you should have knowledge on what all trending things. That's the reason I explain all three, right? So if you want to learn these things, now let me give the full information. Whether it is full stack Python or data analyst or data science, whatever it might be, Python database is common, guys. Full stack Python, data analyst or data science, Python and database is common. Then you have to learn machine learning, full stack developer kada, UI technology, you have to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React JS. These things you have to learn. Plus, server side one framework, programming language, Flask or Django or Fast API. These things you need to learn, guys. To whom this one? If you're planning for full stack developer. No, I'm not planning for full stack developer, sir. My plannings are data analyst, because at present openings are very good for full stack Python data analyst. I'm not that much of good in programming. I'm very interested in what? Communication. Okay, good, fine. Go for data analytics. As part of the data analytics, you need to focus on Python database plus Excel, how to learn, as well as Power Query, Power BI. After learning these three, your task is learn stats also and storytelling. These things are mandatory for who? So data analyst or business analyst. No, if your target is data science, your target is data science. If your target is data science, you need to learn machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. So then stats required, then R language, prompt engineering. These things are basic level. So if you go for advanced level, if you want to learn, then you need to focus on generative AI plus AI agents, agentic AI. These things you have to learn. Generative AI, AI agents, agentic AI, right? So this is your basic course related information, guys. So if you want to learn full stack Python, sir, it will take a duration of 5 months, including projects. Sir, data analyst, it will take 4 months time period, including projects. Sir, data science, actually it will take 5 months. 5 months is enough. Within 5 months, we can finish what? Data science. This is the duration, guys. Okay. So as part of this duration, what we are doing, your classes are daily. I will take session for 1 hour. Daily 1 hour session. And daily we have an exam. Today is a demo session. There's a reason I'm not conducting any exam today, but tomorrow onwards we have exam, guys. Because starting itself, we have to start what? Basic maths. I felt that you don't know anything. I just feel that you don't know anything. You are just what? Beginner. So I will start from very basic level onwards. Addition, subtraction, maths onwards I will start. So daily 1 hour exam. And lab required, guys. You have to practice lab also. For the sake of lab, at least 2 hours you have to spend in the labs. Your lab timing are 9 a.m. to, so actually morning 9 to 6 p.m. labs are open. But at least 2 hours you should be there in the lab. So total 4 hours time is required for us, guys. Not now itself. Day one itself, if I said stay 4 hours in the institute itself, in the sense, open the door, you jump also. First day, it is very difficult for everyone. First day, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, then 1 hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Like I will change the time. Initially, 1 hour, then 1.5 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4. Like I will increase the timing. And you are listening the class, you wrote the exam, you went for the lab, executing the program. Done. Then, in order to increase your communication skills, we'll focus on your communication skills also. Guys, remember, communication skills means we can't teach you any English related skills. We are going to help you the environment. We'll provide the environment. Okay. Sir, without communication skills, what happened? Do you know in Telugu, Venkatesh movie available? ఆడవారి మాటలకు అర్థాల వేరు. Remember Venkatesh movie? Venkatesh went for one interview. Opposite HR is what? Trisha. Follow? So Trisha gave one topic, group discussion time. Everyone is speaking. What Venkatesh will do? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Like this is amazing. Then Trisha came. He said, no, yeah, no, wow. So open what? Mouth and speak. Problem started. Directly, if they want to speak, it is very difficult to speak. So day one onwards, we have to practice. For that purpose, we will focus on communication skills. We are asking you to give the seminars in the classroom itself. Seminars and what? So you have to come to the dais, you have to explain, guys. And we are conducting what? So jam sessions and mock interviews. And then, so grand test. Sometimes we'll conduct what? One-to-one interaction. These things happen in the labs, guys, so that we are going to get grip on the subjects. As well as we are working on project works. We are working on project works. And once it is done, we're going to provide certificate also. And this institute is 26th year, guys. Almost we finished about 25 years done. This is not 1 year, 2 years back institute. It's almost 25 years done. So whatever the certificate we provided, that certificate is more valuable in the market, guys. So we are going to help you to prepare the resume. Resume also comes to you. And after that, once everything done, we are going to help you to enter into interview also. Up to interviews, we can help you guys. But interview time, these time period, how well you learn the subject. If you apply, if you prove, you will get the job. If you didn't prove it, jobs won't come, right? This is our training process, guys. So all the things I'm going to take care, guys. So my name is Venkat Reddy. And my qualification is MCA, MTech. I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst and I have 10 years of experience. So everything I will take care, you don't worry. Okay. So lab session, even in the labs, mentors also available. If you have any doubts, mentors are always ready to help you guys, right? So today what we discussed, guys, today we started with what? 3 things. One is called full stack developer. Let me give a brief view about today's class. Today we discussed about at present full stack developer there in the market. What full stack developer will do? Sir, their main target is develop applications. They will focus on applications. Second role is what? Data analyst. Sir, what data analyst will do? Data analyst will prepare the reports based on old data. So these reports also technically called dashboards. More than one report available. Then next, data science. Sir, what data science person can do, sir? As a data scientist, his main target is predictions. Prediction means what happened the next, the future analysis purpose, your data scientist required. So at present, all 3 has huge requirement available in the market, guys. 3 are very, very important. The future is completely dependent on these 3 only. Generally, before joining to any course, we'll ask suggestion for others also. Okay, which course is good? C, C++, Java, Bava, .NET, or Python, which course is good? We'll ask, we'll do some inquiry, right? Do your inquiry. Along with that, what you will do, let me open small website. There is a website called TIOB website, guys. This is one international company. They will do analysis on current trending languages. So it will give you information which language you have to learn to get job very fastly. Observe. At present in the market, the most leading programming is Python. Rating 26.14% coming worldwide. Second place, C++. Third place, C language. Fourth place is what? Java. Fifth place is what? .NET. C# means .NET. Observe. Java openings are negative, minus 0.58. .NET minus 0.87%. Java and .NET are very good, guys. When up to 2021, 22. After 22 onwards, Python came into the picture. So there's a reason. If you observe clearly, Java and .NET ratings are down. Your Python rating increased. There's a reason. If you observe almost every colleges, they introduced Python. BTech specialization courses came. BTech, CSE, CSE with what? Artificial intelligence. CSE, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Data science, data analyst. MBA. Previously what happened? MBA specialist HR, marketing. But now what happened? MBA data analyst available. MBA business analyst available. Because of Python. So Python is the leading course. So everyone has to learn Python. So today I just explained what is the full stack developer role, data analyst role, data scientist role. If I want to become a full stack data analyst or data science, what I have to learn? The roadmap I provided. Today I just provided roadmap, guys. So if anyone gives suggestion, take the suggestion, no problem, doesn't matter. But think yourself also. Which one is good for you? Think. That is very, very important, right? So this is our rules, ma. At present, this week we have mostly 1 hour or 1.5 hour only. Next week, 2 hours. After 10 days, after 14 days, 3 to 4 hours you have to spend, right? Work will be more. Everything is practical, not theory. Today, what I did, I opened a APSRT's website and then I explained for every concept, not college level. College level theory, no use. Exam purpose, okay. But here our target is what? For every concept, I'll open a website, I'll show you the concept, then I explain, guys. And we are going to implement that one. That is our target. If you really need a subject ready to work, then only join here. Nothing, sir. My parents are saying, I come here, sitting here. You don't ask questions. I'll come, observe, and then I went, sir. Send me notes to my WhatsApp, sir. Please don't join if your mindset is like that. So here you have to come, you have to write the notes also. This is demo session. That's the reason I didn't inform anything. Once class start, mostly tomorrow I will explain about a job market, where we will get what is our job salary packages available. These related things I will discuss in tomorrow's session. Day after tomorrow onwards, directly start the classes. Right? First, I have to give information about what is your course, what happened, where we will get the job. These things I have to inform. Once it is done, second level is what? Sir, what is the package things? Then go for the work. Okay. So ready, interested, ready to work. Sir, really I need a job, sir. I'm ready to work, sir. We are always ready to help you guys. We are always ready to help you. So if you are also interested, na, come regularly, then learn the subject, you can move to the software company. That's what we have to